Hello, Longisa. Today is Sunday. We're gonna check out this place right here. Um, let's go. Let's see what they have. They have the new fail mango drink. Let's walk about first, and then when we buy, we walk back. Our hotel just behind this green building right here. We walk right here to take a look. Come on. I don't know what's that. Look, she auntie place local cuisine. She even have place for you to sit down. Ooh, look at those mango. Wow, look at that. Do you see the mango? Don't don't be afraid though. It's just the tip. Hello. Hi. Wow. Check out the green. Real quick. Oh, so cute. Oh, this is passion fruit. See, it have passion already. They put a bag on it. Can you zoom it to see it? Passion fruit. It already have passions. This bigger one right here. They put back on it. I think it's to protect from the bird or something. I'm not sure. Not sure what are those. Wow, little garden is so pretty. Maybe it's calamansi. Oh, that's a bitter melon. Those are bitter melon and flower. Bitter melon. Do you know how the bitter melon look like? But here it said do not pick. But can you zoom in? You could see the middle. Do not pick, just look only. Okay? Come on. Oh, smells so good. Not sure is that Indian food, but it smells so good. Oh, look at those foodie stuff. We don't have luggage to bring home. That's the sad part. So we're just gonna buy food and eat. But we unfortunately, all this beautiful stuff, we don't have a place to put it back to bring it back home. So we're here just to buy food. Oh, sugar cane, coconut, fresh healthy coconut. You want one sugar cane? I love sugar cane. Can you please get one sugar cane? Right here. This is the sugar cane. Look like this.
Yeah, sugar cane juice, fresh make. Yeah.
Fresh milk. Can we get one?
Yeah, no water, no sugar add.
No water. Hello, hi. I want one.
One?
Yeah, I want one.
Maybe you one.
Okay. You don't have cash, right? Yeah. No. Here, hang on. Let me find my wallet. Look at the banana and guava,
Apple ice cream, banana,
ice cream banana,
pineapple, papaya,
pineapple, papaya.
avocado.
Oh, papaya, pineapple.
Okay, fresh cane juice from a quantity there. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Anything else for you?
Do you want something else? No, that's it for now. Thank you. Thank you
Okay,
so
guys.
much.
Thank you. Enjoy,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Wow, so good. So refreshing. Really, really sweet. So good. I love it. Thank you.
Very much, guys.
Thank you. This is so good. Yeah, you try. It's so good. Man, so many good, beautiful things that we want to buy and bring home, but we cannot because we don't have luggage. That's why the, the luggage costs $50. And look at those hats. It's so beautiful. Let's look at some produce. And the jewelry, local jewelry right here. Oh, you get the stuff and you buy it right here. Wow, so beautiful. See, that's how bitter melon look like. You guys see the plant early and the mangoes. How do you know which one to pick? That's the questions. Ooh, $3.99 a pound right here. $3.99 a pound. Babe, you wanna pick one of each? Cause they the same price, so pick one of each. But we don't have something to put together, so should we eat this one or this one only? How about pineapple? How much pineapple? If we pick this, it's sour, right? Here we cut. Look, look, look at this, almost as big as my face. Mango, mango. Look at that, so big. Oh, so big. Maybe we pick one of each and give it a try, and one pineapple also. Go ahead, pick. I also want papaya too, but and then over here they sell some clothes. Over there they sell some. I'm not sure what is it. Ah, look at this beautiful big dog. Hey, cutie, you're so big. And then a little one right here. With their back right there, babe. You want one pineapple also? Pineapple we have to get super sour yellow one so we can eat right away. Right here. I think I want this one. Think is this a good one, guy? And then put another bag on pineapple. Do you want papaya also? Papaya? I like papaya. I love eating papaya. I mean, the question is this one ready to eat or not? I think I will get. Right here, look at the owner. Maybe we ask if he have something sour, something to dip. And one papaya, please. This one right here. This one. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go pay over there, and then I'm gonna show you guys how good it is when I go back to my room. I'm gonna go back to my room and eat this before I keep going. Okay, so this is how the farmer market look like. It's a cross street from my hotel, beach over there, zoo over here. Lots of mountain in the back, and then you also see the dead volcano over there. It's called Diamond Head. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you guys next time. Bye.